This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a locking differential, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a smartphone adapter, 18-inch alloy wheels, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, full power accessories, a keyless entry system, and satellite radio. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.